Welcome back to my another video. Ride to Munnar. So we started our journey around 6:30 in the morning. These are our co-riders. We are 6 people. So please watch this video. We are now in our village, that is Pallipad. This is Sujish and Abhijit, and my rider is Anandu, and my brother is also there, and Girish, another brother. Now we are in our village headquarters. That is the market area of Pallipad. You can see that this is my 3rd or 4th visit in Munnar, but some of our riders are visiting first time Munnar, so they are so much excited to see Munnar. Now the weather is also very good in Munnar. Co-riders are all excited to see Munnar. We just crossed Aripad town, and now we are in National Highway 66, which connects Kanyakumari with Panavel. These are our co-riders. So National Highway is very narrow. There is no development of National Highway, especially in this NH 66 in Kerala. So the road is very narrow. So while driving through this road, we have to be very careful. But the roads are very nice for driving. There is no any kind of gutter or something, but it's very nice to drive. As we were moving towards Alleppey, the headquarters of Alappuzha district, now we are in the coastal area, the coastal highway of Alappuzha district. You can see the density of population, the houses which are very located very near to this coastal area, as well as very near to this road. So the development of this national highway is very difficult in these areas because of the high density of population. Now we are riding. You can see in the left hand side, you can see the coast, the Arabian Sea. This road is located very near to the Arabian Sea. Very nice to drive through this road, especially while you are riding. Now we are running through the coastal area. You can see the coconut trees, the houses. It's very nice to ride through this coastal area. Even though the roads are narrow, but our road is very good. See the sky is also very nice. This is Ernakulam district. Now the road is 4-lane. And from Cherthala onwards, the road is 4-lane. That is why you can ride very smoothly through this road. This area is not that much crowded, even though it is Ernakulam district. This is bypass road. You can see many buildings by the side of this road. Sky is almost clear. Since 2.5 hours we are continuously riding, so some of our riders' hand also getting pain. But still our destination is Munnar, so we are proceeding towards Munnar. See the co-riders. Now the road is very nice and the city is clear. Traffic is not that much, even though you all know that the traffic in Ernakulam district is huge, but still we didn't face any kind of traffic block here. But hopefully we will get traffic block. There are some couple of constructions of high overbridges going on in many places in Ernakulam. See the river. So the left hand side you can see a big hotel. I think that is Lee Meridian. The riders are all excited. Yeah, so this is the first time experience of traffic block in Ernakulam, especially in the bypass. Sometimes you have to face all these kind of problems while riding. So this is the traffic block in bypass road of Ernakulam. We'll get delay because of this traffic block, but still we will try to manage to reach Munnar on time. We'll get late, that is 100% sure because of this block, and we could start a bit early in the morning, but riding in a group, so there are some kind of problems. So now you can see some construction is going on here. That is the major reason of block here in this bypass road. As we were riding towards Mudrapuzha, we could experience the traffic block this place, but still we could manage it. We are 6 people, and we will reach on time in Munnar. Yeah, now we are free from the traffic block, riding towards Munnar. The road is clear somewhat, better than the previous time which we were experienced, near to these two over bridges. One is in, Vaitila, and another one is, in another place. I think that is Palarivattam. So now we are on time. We will reach on time, I hope so. Waiting for here for other co-riders because some of them lost the way. Now we are in Ernakulam. You can see the high-rise buildings. Now there is no traffic, and you can see now the double-decker bus, KSRTC, and the metro railway. Again the block started. Still we are proceeding towards Munnar. Yeah, some of them they reach now. Two more yet to come. We will wait. This is the beauty of Ernakulam. The traffic blocks. When you ride in a group, you have to be, always be together. Otherwise, if they go very fast, it is very difficult. You can see a metro train on the right side. See that? What a beautiful metro train of Kochi Metro. It's going very fast. It's very difficult. The weather is also very hot. The stability of the camera was very less, as we were not using any kind of gimbal. These are the two co-riders who lost the actual route, and at last we saw them. They also joined with us. Now you can see the rubber plantations. Our actual plan was to visit Valpara and Malakkapara and going to Tamil Nadu. That was our plan, but I don't know whether it is possible because it was heavily raining since 5 days. So this route is fully through jungle, forest area, so I don't think they will allow bikers to go through this road because of the disturbance from elephants and other animals. So we have to see that. If not possible through that road, we will decide to go to Munnar. So you can see the roads. Now these are village roads, so it's very difficult to ride through these village roads because of construction is going on. But still we will try to show you nice videos. See, the road is not good. You can see so many coconut plantations and other crops, especially this tapioca. This is the staple food of Malayalis. These are hilly areas of Thrissur district. As we are going towards Adrapalli waterfall, we could see all these plantations of plantain, then rubber, many other crops. The road is so steep, so while driving you have to be very careful while riding through these roads, especially for the bike riders. And this area is not having that much of density of population, so but still the road is very empty. The destination was Valpara in Tamil Nadu. Now the plantation variety has been changed. This is oil palms. These oil palms you can see in this area, Adirapalli area. This is the rider. He is Abhi. Now the road is very narrow because it is village area, and other co-riders are also following us. We are riding towards Adirapalli waterfall, then the forest areas. You could see so many villages, especially the tribal villages. And I think if we get permission to ride through the forest areas, we will get to see many elephants and other animals. Now the road is a bit okay, and the weather is also very good. Only thing is that there is no coconut, but oil palm trees are common here. These are all plantations. Now again the road is getting worse. This is my third or fourth visit in this Adirapalli waterfalls. That river is known as Chalakudi river. This river is very famous, and at times it get flooded. These are the evidence of the 2018 flood. The water is muddy, and these are some of the forest buildings, and we are entering into small forest area. See that. Now the road is very good. Still you can see the river Chalakudi. See the beauty of the river. The water is very less as compared to the 2018 flood. You can see so many other riders are also there. You can see the Western Ghats, and we are reaching the main road. This is a water theme park, Silverstone, very famous water theme park in Kerala. People used to come here for fun. So this is the major road of Chalakudi, which is connecting with Malakkapara and Valparai in Tamil Nadu. See the road, the beauty of the road. It's very nice road. You will see huge number of vehicles here, and the plantation is still same. See the riders. We are still moving towards Adirapalli. We don't know whether they are accept our request to go through this road, because so many villages were saying that these roads are not good now as after the 2018 flood. So it will be a very difficult task for us going through this village in the forest area. If the road is not good, it is very difficult to travel through these roads. You can see the rubber plantations, because there is a high chance of elephant attacks. Now we are in Adirapalli area. We are reaching some of the small junctions. At least we could see the famous waterfall Adirapalli. Please see this. Now we are going back as the road is closed for the bike riders, so it is difficult to travel through the road. So we are going back to another road through which we can go to Munnar. So this is the narrow road which connects the Adirapalli with Chalakudi. See this. The road is zigzag in nature, so driving through this road is a bit difficult task, but still many vehicles are there because it's a tourist place. There are small waterfalls in this road. We thought we could see some of the animals, but because of the high density of the vehicles, it is very difficult to see animals here. Sporting animal is very difficult here, but after crossing the forest checkpost you will see, but they didn't allow us to go. It was very unfortunate for us. Now we have to we have to ride around 70 kilometers to reach the Munnar road. Then from there again, see there is a board showing that elephant crossing, but There is no elephants. So it is very difficult for us to reach Munnar on time. I think we will reach in the night, and we will stay in Munnar for one night stay, and we will roam around Munnar. There are so many tourists here in this place, and the road is very nice. You can see the Chalakudi river. This is a kind of strand road. The road constructed on the bank of the river Chalakudi, and you can see the Western Ghat area. There are so many boats. There's a waterfall, very nice waterfall. So we stopped here to take some photographs. These are our co-riders. It was a very nice experience to take some photographs in this waterfall. Now we are going towards Chalakudi. From there, Munnar Road. It was very unfortunate for us to visit this, the jungle area, the forest areas and the forest lands. But still, now we are heading towards Munnar. That was our plan B. So yeah, every rider has to face all these kind of problems while riding. The remaining videos we couldn't take. Hotel room. We got a room in Munnar. This is the hotel room. And tomorrow we will be showing you the morning views of Munnar and the tea plantations and all. Almost all of the riders are tired. You can see that. All are busy sharing the experiences of the long ride. From morning 6:30 to around 9 p.m. we rode the bike. See the smiles, the chit chatting. Hello Munnar. Now we are in Munnar. So this is the next day. You can see the beauty of the pine trees, different other varieties of trees. Now we are in Munnar. We're going to visit some of the places in Munnar. We don't have any idea about the places, so we just roaming here and there. Yesterday we could get a nice sleep in the hotel. But in Munnar place also there are so many landslides and all happened, so they're clearing the roads. The 2000 flood was a big problem for Kerala, so now That is why the reason they are now constructing the roads, repairing the roads. You can see there were so many evidence of landslides, soil creep, and different other varieties of mud flows. The hardworking people, sometimes you can see the roads are not good. See the clouds, the varieties of plantation crops, and we will see the tea plantation also. Now you can see the tea plantation in the left side. The beauty of Munnar. These are some of the tea plantation, and the co-rider is talking something. See the view. The road is a bit rough, and the cloud, the beauty, the view, what a beauty. The roads are almost empty in this area because we started the ride in the early morning, and we can see some of the viewpoints here. See, the sky is so beautiful. See the view, the tea plantation and the silver oak tree in between tea plantation, that also makes the beauty. The scenery is so nice. See the view. So these tea plantations are very famous in all over India. So Munnar, the weather of Munnar is also very nice, and the highest place in Western Ghat is also found in this Munnar area. You can see that is Anamudi. You can see far behind, that is Anamudi, the highest point. See the view of Munnar, the tea plantations, and the riders are enjoying taking photographs. Last night we stayed in Devikulam, which is 9.7 kilometer away from Munnar distance. Now we are coming back from Devikulam to Munnar town. From there we will be going to Matupatti and other top station, etc. Because we have less time with us, we need to go back to our place. You can see the hilly areas in Munnar. One side it is forest, on the other side you can see the tea plantations. This road is Munnar connecting with Bodinaikanur in Tamil Nadu and Bodimettu. Even you can go to Madurai and Dintukal and even Theni also. You can see the tea plantation. The tea plantations here, it is very famous. The weather is not that much cold. The morning time it is a bit hot. The view is very nice from here. You can see the settlements, mostly the tea plantation people and the laborers. The road is under construction, that is why the reason the dusty roads. They are widening the road since it is a national highway which is connecting with Kochi and the Ramanathapuram. Road is under construction. You can see the highest point from here. We are now riding towards Munnar town. We are riding towards Munnar town. The road is empty, but you can see some of the hotels here, Oyo rooms. Riding towards Munnar town now. This is the road towards Munnar police station. At last we are in Munnar town. So now you can see the Munnar town. It's a beautiful town, it's a beautiful hill station. Not that much clean, but still you can come and enjoy here. These are the co-riders. And we are heading towards Mudrapuzha Dam and top station. You can see the high-rise buildings in Munnar. Actually, we lost the way again. Yeah, this is the exact way to go. Mudrapuzha and the top station. See the riders. Only in Munnar town you can see the buildings, especially the hotels and other restaurants, etc. So when you go away from this Munnar town, you will hardly get the restaurants. And also this is the river. There are 3 rivers which meets in this place. That is why the reason it is known as Munnar. Moon means 3 and Ar means river. Now we are heading towards Mudrapuzha Dam and Eco Point and even top station, which is located in Tamil Nadu. Now you can see the meadows of Munnar. Some of the hotels are also located in the Now we are reaching Mudrapuzha Dam. The road is not good. You can see the dam from here. This is the dam point. From here you can even experience the eco point. This is Mudrapuzha Dam. This is one of the most important dam in Munnar, but it's a very small dam. These are some photos we took it from Mudrapuzha Dam. Again we proceeded towards top station. Top station, it is located in Tamil Nadu but accessible only through Kerala. And this top station is very famous. During British time they used to send the finished tea leaves to Bodinakunu railway station through this place. Even you can experience that also from top station, but it is not working. From top station you can even go to Tamil Nadu by trekking through the hills, but not accessible through roads or any railway lines. Munnar even having the railways, but nowadays there is no evidences for that. Now we are running a bit late, but riding through the tea plantations. The tea plantations are very beautiful here. Can you see that? In between tea plantations you can see even the oak trees, silver oak trees. That is also very famous here. It's a very nice place for the riders. They can ride very nicely because the traffic in this area is very less. The greenery, so beautiful. The weather is not that much cool. Only in the morning time and evening time it is cool, even night time. But in the afternoon it is very hot. See the beauty of the tea plantations and the sky, the natural sky beauty. So many zigzaggy roads. Very careful while driving. See the beauty of Western Ghat. We are riding towards top station. We could actually visit some other places also, but time is not permitting us. See the beauty of tea plantations. Mostly you can see the tea plantation in the slopes. We thought of visiting even Waterfalls village, and Kandalur also, but we don't have that much time with us. So we are just riding towards top station and we'll be back. And on the way there is a dam again. Another dam is there, Kundala. But that Kundala dam, I don't know whether it is possible to visit. But still, we are trying. In the downslope, you can see some of the villages. The beauty is increasing now. We are still riding. Our destination is not reaching. Now you can see some of the settlements. There are so many settlements, especially there are so many vegetable shops and even settlements of the tribes and the communities who are working in the tea estates. There's a small church. And you can see the beauty of the Western Ghats, the hilly areas as well as the tea plantations both. There's a high school. Now we are reaching the destination. You can see the Kundala Dam. This is also one of the important dams. See the mountains of Western Ghats. That side is Tamil Nadu. Still we are riding towards our destination. Top station was closed. Due to that reason we couldn't see the top station. So now we are going back to Munnar. Munnar is somewhat 30 kilometers away from this place. You can see from the milestone. So from Munnar we'll be riding towards Haripad. So it is now it's around 2 p.m. Almost 12 o'clock in the night time we will reach in my place. Sometimes it happens. This was a sudden plan. So we are enjoyed the riding. Now still enjoying the riding. Almost all of us are excited to visit these places because some of them are visiting first time. Now we are in Mudrapuzha Dam. So you can see in the right hand side the reservoir of the Mudrapuzha Dam. There are so many shops. And there are some fun games also, you can enjoy those things. This is Eco Point. We couldn't visit even Waterfalls and some other villages which is having different varieties of fruit cultivation. This is the reservoir of Mudrapuzha Dam. It's also very nice. This is also known as Eco Point. There are so many shops. Most of them are now closed. There's a check post. So many shops are there. Thank you for watching this video.